So, what is really brilliant about the 3D? Tell me, because I am still having a problem with this, which is, will users actually produce 3D?
Yeah, it definitely does. You've got no, first of all, you've got two things about 3D. It's not 3D like in three-dimensional, but also 3D within the dual core, dual memory, so also dual channels.
The 3Ds.
That's the 3Ds.
Okay.
And then the second part, it's 3D like in three-dimensional.
The thing is, so what I heard today was that, okay, so you have like the 3Ds, which is like the dual channel, which is a new way of using the processor, you know, to distribute content, right?
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, and then you have the 3D. Yeah, I can use, you can use my light no problem.
Absolutely.
There you go. So, the question still remains.
Oh, he's being
okay. Are we going to see lots of 3D content coming on?
I think so, yes.
How do you see the partnership that you just did with Google, and how are they supportive of it?
Yeah, I really think so, because our Optimus 3D is not only about recording 3D and not only about viewing 3D, it's also about sharing 3D. If you record a movie in 3D, which can go up to 720p, you can also share it online to YouTube 3D, so you can share it with all the world, or maybe only to your friends.
Right.
And if they also have an LG Optimus 3D, or they have a 3D enabled television, they can see what you recorded in 3D, they can also see it in 3D. So yeah, it's not, like I already said, it's not only recording and playing 3D, it's also a whole ecosystem because of our exclusivity deal between us and between YouTube 3D.
Okay, but so, and today what we saw at the press conference was that I think that you are pretty tight with Google at the moment.
Yes, we are.
Okay, and so how do you see that the development of the Android ecosystem is going into, and how is LG behind it? Or are you working with Android and Google, you know, to develop new things that are going to into the operating system, which is a really important question here.
Yeah.
How are you as an OEM involved into the development of new features of the Android ecosystem?
Google is a very big company, and within Google you've got the YouTube channel, you've got an Android channel, you've got a lot of other channels. And on part of Android, we are working very tight with Google, which is visible within our LG Optimus Pad, which we will launch with Honeycomb 3D. And with
Honeycomb 3D?
Sorry, 3.0.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, no, 3.0. Yeah.
Honeycomb 3D.
No.
Woohoo!
Yeah. No.
Exclusive.
But not only that, also, like I already said, the exclusivity between our Optimus 3D and YouTube 3D. So I think we have a good collaboration with Google, with Android, with YouTube, whatever you call it. So
yeah, but in terms of future, do you see? So my question basically, okay, so being really rock hard is Google open to the input that they are giving them in terms of development of new features into the Android system, or are they just developing, in your opinion, or LG's opinion, are they just developing and then you have to say, okay, we can take this feature and we can build into it?
In fact, Google is not the owner of Android.
Yeah, I know. But
the
still.
Open Handset Alliance is the owner of Android, and we are a part of the Open Handset Alliance.
Okay.
So yeah, we can give feedback and we can tell, no, we want this or we want that. We don't have to deny that Google is the biggest head behind the Open Handset Alliance, but yeah, we have a voice within it. So if we say, maybe you should better do that or better do that, I think we will have a voice.
Okay, and was this 3D a part of it?
Yes and no. The 3D part of YouTube was a part of began as the 80-20 concept within Google. So you have to do 80% of your working time, you have to do work, and 20% you can, whatever you do, picking your nose or somebody else, something else. And you can also try to invent some nice concepts. And they did it with YouTube 3D. So that's where it came from. And because we are the first with a 3D recording and viewing within a phone, yeah, it's quite obvious that we had a collaboration with the YouTube 3D.
Okay.
So, yeah, it was because of us, but also because of the 80-20 rule within Google.
Do you think that your competitors are going to follow the trend, or?
I think you have to ask that to our competitors.
What's your opinion then?
Probably, maybe.
Okay.
I really don't know. Today within the Mobile World Congress there has been announced a lot of phones, and tomorrow HTC will announce another phone.
Yeah.
And I don't know what HTC will announce, but all the other competitors did not yet announce a smartphone with 3D recording capability. So,
okay, it's fine.
Yeah.
I can understand why you didn't want to go into that.
No, it's quite obvious. I cannot tell you.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I understand that. It's fine.
Okay,
good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.